Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Hayden in Idaho. Hayden, here is your SR-955HPC Plus tune line, voltage regulator, and the K-Link 602 cooling fan kit we sell. If you buy this cooling fan kit from us with the radio, we will install it at no charge whatsoever. You can also purchase these separately. They simply just bolt right on. Very nice little units. Keep cool air running across the fins, and then you just wire it inside on a switched hot, which I'm more than happy to help you all with that as well. Or you could run it off a bench power supply if you don't want to go inside your radio. Alright, Hayden, got you fixed up here. Let me show you what we got. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. You said you're going to use this with a 4 or a 6. It'll work fine with either. 50 watt slug all the way down. There's 2 watts. Plenty low. Let's roll it up. There's 20. Show you average power swing. Hello, 111. Shh. Hello, about 48 bird on a voice. You know, you put a little bit different frequency response in there and you say shh. Anyways, 250 watt slug peak. Hello, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. Hello, hello, hello. Bumping about 120 121. All right, Hayden, this will work out good for you, man. I appreciate it. From all of us at truckcbsales.com. Bye bye.